welcome to my channel, Computer Techno channel. In previous videos, you have watched and you have learned about project cycle, problem scoping and the data acquisition, right? If you have missed to watch all those videos, please watch it and continue with this video. Today, you are going to learn about the data exploration and modeling. These are the last steps of the project cycle. From next video, I would like to teach you about the Python. Are you ready to learn about all those things? Yes. Data exploration and modeling. In problem scoping, what you have learned? You learned how to scope a problem, right? Then in data acquisition, you learn how to collect the data and how to arrange the data to solve that problem, right? Yes, in data exploration, you are going to learn few more things, and in modeling, you will learn how to train the vision and how many types of models are there in AI. Are you ready to learn all those things? Yes, I hope you are ready. Yes, look at this picture, data exploration. Yes, actually in data acquisition, you acquire the data to solve a problem, right? And also that all the data will not be in the similar, right? So just in data acquisition, you learned how to arrange the data in a sequence and how to organize the data in the different formats and all you learned, right? Yes, but if you represent that type of the data in front of the viewer or in front of the organizer, those persons will get the confusion what is the meaning of all these things, right? So to make your work easy, you will learn in data exploration, you will learn how to arrange the data in the form of the graphical representation. What is the meaning of the graphical representation? Yes, you are right. In the charts and all different types of the charts and different types of the maps and all. How to do all these things, I will explain you. When we get a set of data in our hands, spending time to explore it will help get a sense of the trends, relationships, and patterns present in the data. It will also help us better decide on which models to use in the subsequent AI project cycle stage. We use visualization as a method because it is much easier to comprehend the information quickly and communicate the story to others. You will be explore different types of the graphs used in data visualization and will be able to find trends and patterns out of it. In this session, we will be exploring various types of graphs using an online open source website. Do you want to know about the open source website? Yes, that is a datavidgecatalog.com. If you click on this website, if you click on this link, you will get the website. Yes, look at this, datavidgecatalog.com. This is a website. So this website will help you to how to explore the data in the form of the charts, different charts and all. You see, just look at all these pictures, you will get the different types of the charts and all. And also, I hope everyone know that how to represent the data in the form of the charts. Because in MS Excel, all the things are there. I think so you have learned, right? Yes. Now you see all these are the different types of the charts which you can use to explore your data. Okay, so suppose if you are giving the collected data in the form of the text or in the form of the essay, it will be very difficult to understand, right? Yes, instead of doing that, if you represent all the data, if you explore all the data in the form of the pictorial form, it will be very easy to understand the topic, and also you can remove unnecessary data. Is it clear? Yes, what is a data visualization? What you can do in the data visualization? Yes, in data visualization, you can represent the data in the form of the visualization and can be perceived as the representation of a set of information as a chart, a process, diagram, or a picture. All these 4 tools you can use that website. Just now I showed that website, right? You can use that website to represent the data visualized in the visualization form. It is an integral part of a competitive intelligence that encompasses data analysis to help gain an edge on its better understanding. Yes, what is a modeling? Yes, in previous video, one of the video I explained you how to train the model, right? How to train the mission by using one website. What is that? teachablemission.com, right? Yes, if you have missed out to watch that video, just you can find that video link in my description. In the data exploration, you explored the data you had acquired at the data acquisition stage for the problem you scoped in the problem scoping stage. Now you have visualized some trends and patterns out of the data which would help you develop a strategy for your project. To build an AI-based project, we need to work around artificially intelligent models or algorithms. This could be done either by designing your own model or by using the pre-existing AI models. Before jumping into modeling, let us clarify the definitions of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. About AI, ML, DL, and what are the relationships between all these things, I explained in the one of the video. If you have missed out that video, please you watch it and continue with this topic. Just you can find a description. You can find a link in my description. Okay, briefly I will describe. I will discuss. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence or AI for short refers to any technique that enables computers to mimic human intelligence. An artificial intelligent machine works and algorithms and data fed to it and gives the desired output. What is a machine learning? Machine learning or ML for short enables machines to improve at tasks with experience. The machine here learns from the new data fed to it while testing and uses it for the next iteration. It also takes into account the times when it went wrong and considers the exceptions too. What is a deep learning? Yes, deep learning or DL for short enables a software to train itself to perform tasks with a vast amount of data. Since the system has got huge set of data, it is able to train and help of multiple machine learning algorithms working together all together to perform a specific tasks. Yes, just briefly I discussed about AI, ML, DL. In detail, I explained about all these three terms in my previous video. Please you watch it. Okay? Yes. What is a AI model? The graphical representation makes the data understandable for humans as we can discover trends and patterns out of it. But when it comes to machine accessing and analyzing data, it needs the data in the most basic form of numbers, which is binary zeros and ones. And when it comes to discovering patterns and trends in data, the machine goes in for mathematical representation of the same. The ability to mathematically describe the relationship between parameters is the heart of every AI model. Thus, whenever we talk about developing AI models, it is the mathematical approach towards analyzing data which we refer to. Yes. Now, how many types of AI models are there? There are two types. What are they? Learning-based model, rule-based model. And again, learning-based is divided into the machine learning and the deep learning. Now, in this video, I will explain you about learning-based and rule-based approach. Next, you can find out about machine learning, deep learning, and decision tree in my next video. Now, look at this one. What is a rule-based AI model? Okay, rule-based approach refers to the AI modeling where the relationship or patterns in data are defined by the developers. The machine follows the rules or instructions mentioned by the developer and performs its task accordingly. Look at this picture. What is this picture? What items this picture is consisting? You see apples, right? The apples and bananas. Few apples are at least for all types of bananas, all types of apples. Pictures are fed into the machine. how to do all these things. Just I explained you in my previous video, that is how to train the mission by using the teachablemission.com website, right? Yes. So whatever you have learned in that website, how to train the mission and all, that one is completely rule based AI model. Okay, just imagine that you have the 100 images of the apples and 100 images of the bananas. Okay, now just you by using the website or else by using the any coding and all, you feed the information. Information means what? 100 images of apples and 100 images of bananas. You feed this information in the mission. Okay, means what? You are training the mission by using some rules. Means by using some rules means what? If the shape of the fruit is like this, or color of the fruit is like this, or the what is that? The peel of the fruit is yellow, like that means what? Just if any red fruit is there, that is an apple, and the shape is apple, the shape of the fruit is like this, and color of the apple is like this, and like this means you are feeding the information in the mission by using some rules, right? So means what? You are not giving the chance to think like that. But sometimes we need to, if we are having the limited data, or if we are having all the information, you can use this type of the approach. This type of the approach means this type of the model. Okay, now after mission trained using labeled data set, this is the labeled data set, because mission is trained, this is the apple, this is the banana. Okay, now after that one, testing, when you test the mission, automatically mission will identify this is the apple. Suppose if you place the image of the banana, immediately the mission will identify it is a what? It is a banana. Okay, so you are feeding the information, complete information in the mission, and as per your information, mission will work. Yes, I hope you understood about what is the rule-based approach or rule-based AI model. Yes. Next, what is the next one? Learning-based AI model. Refers to the AI modeling where the relationship or patterns in data are not defined by the developer. In this approach, random data is fed to the mission and it is left on the missions to figure out patterns and trends out of it. Generally, this approach is followed when the data is unlabeled and too random for human to make sense out of it. Thus, the mission looks at the data, tries to extract similar features out of it, and clusters the same data sets together. Now, when we will use this type of the approach, when we will use this type of the model, yes, if the user consisting a lot of data, so that time just we will use this type of the approach. So how to train the mission? Just I will explain you. Look at this picture, unlabeled data set. This is the dogs. All types of the dogs are there. Yeah, suppose you have data set of 100 images of random stray dogs of your area. Okay, then now you do not have any clues as what trend is being followed in this data set. As you don't know their breed or color or any other features. Thus, you would put this into a learning approach based model. Understood? I think so you understood. Look at this picture. So many types of the dogs are there. There is no any category. The pictures are not categorized, right? Yes. Even we are not trying the mission by using the by feeding the information about the dogs fur, the details of fur or color or anything. Simply just we are giving the information. Just we are feeding the information about the dogs. That's it. Okay, means what? Here mission is getting chance to train itself and to identify the dogs. Okay, now then after the output, you just look at this output. Again, automatically the computer only segregated all the types of the dogs, right? Yes. Okay, so this type of the approach when we will use this type of the approach, we will use when you are having a lot of data, and it will be very, just if you are feeling that it will be very difficult to segregate the data and all, that time you can train the mission in this way. Okay, understood? I hope everyone you understood, right? Yes. Thank you very much for to watch my a video. If you have liked my video, please you subscribe it, and just previous videos also you watch it and you continue all the things and all. Next upcoming video is on decision tree. What is that? Decision tree. Yes, it will be the continuation topic of that. What problem scoping and all. Okay, I hope everyone you understood about the data exploration. Please you just refer that website. Okay, take care. Bye. Happy learning.